The tech community is buzzing with excitement as the launch event for the iPhone 16 series draws near. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is anticipated to be the standout model, sparking enthusiasm among Apple fans and setting the tone for upcoming Android competitors. Notably, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to be its closest rival. In a twist, renowned leaker Ice Universe has teased that there may be unexpected similarities between these two smartphone giants, even before the Galaxy S25 Ultra is officially revealed. According to Ice Universe's latest insights, the launch of the iPhone 16 Pro Max could inadvertently reveal details about the Galaxy S25 Ultra's design. The leaker confidently asserts that both flagship devices will not only feature the same screen size, but will also be identical in dimensions, including length, width, height, and bezel size. Such a striking resemblance is rare, especially given the distinct design philosophies that Apple and Samsung have historically embraced. Additionally, Ice Universe couldn't help but poke fun at Apple's Dynamic Island feature. Ice Universe has indicated that the Galaxy S25 Ultra's anticipated small punch hole cutout will offer a more contemporary look compared to Apple's pill-shaped camera and sensor arrangement. Although the latest leak from Ice Universe didn't provide exact measurements, previous leaks have shed some light on the matter. Both devices are likely to feature nearly identical bezel sizes of 1.15 millimeters, making their designs even more comparable. Display sizes are also projected to be very similar, with the iPhone 16 Pro Max possibly showcasing a 6.88-inch display and the Galaxy S25 Ultra featuring a 6.86-inch display. It's important to note that these figures might be rounded to a more appealing 6.9 inches upon their official release. The similarities between these two smartphones extend beyond their looks, as both are expected to offer exceptional performance, albeit with different chipsets. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is likely to be equipped with Apple's upcoming A18 Pro chipset, while the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to come with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. This sets the stage for an exhilarating competition between two of the most powerful mobile processors available. The recent leaks suggest an intriguing alignment between the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and the iPhone 16 Pro Max, but it's crucial to keep in mind that these are merely speculations for now. We will have to wait for the official unveiling of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, anticipated in early 2025, to truly understand the extent of their design similarities or differences. Should these leaks hold true, it might indicate a significant evolution in the smartphone market, with Apple and Samsung's flagship models becoming more alike in both aesthetics and functionality. No matter the result, the rivalry between these two technology powerhouses is set to be intense, fostering innovation and expanding the possibilities of smartphone technology. So, what are your expectations from upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra? Feel free to share it down below in the comments section, and for more updates you can check out our channel, and I'll see you all in the next one. Until then, take care.